All right, y'all. This is called a tents puzzle. Y'all also might know it as trees and tents. So the rules are simple. You got to pair each tree with a tent. It's got to be adjacent horizontally or vertically. All right. Now, tents never touch each other, not even diagonal. And the clues indicate the number of tents in each column and the number of tents in each row. So now, if you do a left click, it'll put a tent. If you do a right click, it'll put a blank. Now, there are 0 tents here. So we right click. And look, any space that is not directly adjacent to a tree cannot have a tent in it. No tent, no tent, no tent, no tent, no tent. All right, so anything not adjacent to a tree gets a blank. All right, now, there has to be a tent in one of these. All right, those are the only spaces left in this row. And both of those squares touch this one. No tent there. All right, now, let's look some more. We've got one tent that's got to be here. It's got to be there, which means that no tent there. And look here. This space here is only adjacent to this tree. Well, this tree's already got a tent. No tent there. Looking in this column now, we've only got one space left that can take a tent, which touches this space here. No tent. Now, there's only one tent in this row. No tent. And this has 2 tents. We got 3 adjacent spaces. Now, tents cannot touch. So my tents must go in the first and third spots. No tent in the middle. This column has 1 tent. Bye. This column has 1 tent. Already got one. This column must have 1 tent. Right there. This column must have 2. There and there. And we have solved the puzzle.